Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes laptop keyboard auto typing problem fixed. First method is change accessibility option. Second method is use on-screen keyboard. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is uninstall keyboard driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.